Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. It's warming up here at our HQ in Harrisburg, PA. Spring in Pennsylvania is my favorite season. It gets me in the mood to go outside and work with my hands. So this week, we're looking at apps that help educate, plan, and keep track of a garden. Whether you want a vegetable or flower garden in your yard, or keep your houseplants thriving, we've got the apps. The first app we'll look at today is Seed to Spoon. Once you download the app, you can start planning. The app has a custom grid system you can use to visualize your garden. Just put in the square footage of your real garden into the app. Then you can choose what plants to put in each section. It's honestly like a farming sim, and I'm here for that. I really liked the selection of filters on the search, separating plants into different categories like Plant Now, Harvest within 60 days, Tolerates full sun, and more. You can even filter by possible health benefits, like heart-healthy fruits and vegetables. Each plant on the app has a page with details like when the ideal time to plant is, watering schedule, what other plants are friends or enemies of that specific plant, meaning if there are plants that benefit from being planted near it or can be harmful if planted near it. Some details are only accessible through the paid version, but the amount of free information is really impressive. The app also features an AI chatbot to answer your gardening questions. Seed to Spoon has a store where you can order seeds and gardening tools. The creators of the app also make videos for YouTube and TikTok all about gardening. Seed to Spoon is available for free download on iOS and Android. The next app we have is Grow It. This one is specifically for growing fruits and vegetables. The app is free to download and use, but it does contain ads. If you want the premium ad-free version, there is a 7-day free trial. This app does not have a grid view system like Seed to Spoon. It portrays your garden as two lists, planning and growing. Once you add a plant to your garden, the app will count down the days to harvest it. You can also set up watering reminders and sync it to the weather, so on rainy days it will mark the plant as being watered. Each plant has a page with nearly everything you need to know: when to plant and harvest, level of difficulty to grow, suitable location, sun exposure, and temperature for planting. It also lists plants that are compatible to be planted near each other and ones that are incompatible. There are detailed steps on how to grow from seed to harvest. Grow It has a diagnose scanner that examines your plant's health and identifies plants and insects. Grow It is available for free download on iOS and Android. I hope these apps come in handy for your garden this year. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an Integrity company. This episode was written and produced by me, Tina Lamoureux. Script editing by Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.